Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to day 23 of our 30-day transformation manifestation run. Yesterday, we practiced receiving without shrinking, blocking, or explaining away the good that was trying to reach us, right? Today, we are stepping into something that will free up your energy immediately. Decision. A lot of your power is sitting inside unfinished decisions. The thing you keep going back and forth about, the idea you keep delaying, the move you keep saying you are thinking about, the opportunity you keep circling but never choosing, the no you need to say, the yes you keep avoiding. Today, we are done living in maybe. Maybe is expensive. Maybe drains your focus. Maybe keeps your mind spinning. Maybe delays your progress. Maybe keeps you emotionally tied to five different doors when you only need to walk through one. And I want this to sit with you. Clarity does not always come before a decision. Sometimes clarity comes after you finally choose. Your next level does not need you to know every detail. I want you to hear this. Today, I want you guys to grasp what I'm saying right here. Clarity does not always come before a decision. Sometimes clarity comes after you finally choose. Your next level does not need you to know every detail. It needs you to stop standing at the intersection pretending indecision is wisdom. So here is your day 23 assignment. Choose one decision you have been delaying. It can be small, it can be practical, it can be personal, it can be business related, but today you decide. You either say yes, you either say no, you schedule it, you release it, you move it forward, or you close the door. No more, I'll think about it forever. No more, I need one more sign. No more using research as a hiding place. No more waiting for perfect certainty. Make the decision because every decision you make from alignment returns energy back to you. So for my community members, once your decision is made, head to the private board and report in with this command: done, decision made. And to my YouTube family, subscribe so you can keep following this challenge. And if you're tired of living in confusion, delay, click the link below and join us on the inside of this community because we're not waiting for life to choose us. We are choosing with power. So let's go.